Who did that? Who did that? It used to be a feather bed. I should have known better. Oh my. That. You got all three of your beds. Look. All three of them. There will be no more beds. Who did that? Come here. Who did that? Sophie didn't do anything, right? Where's your bed? Where's your bed, Sophie? What'd you do? Hey, Moose. What'd you do? Off. What did you do? Oh, you like it like that? What did you do?